Hi friends, welcome back. In the previous video, we saw the state symbols of Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka. In this video, we will see Telangana. This is the map of Telangana. This is the emblem of Telangana. Telangana's state animal is deer. Bird, Indian roller. Tree, Jamichettu. Flower, Tanner's cassia. Fish, Chenna stratius. Fruit, custard apple. Sports, kabaddi. Dance, Perini Sivatandavam. I hope this video was useful for you. Please comment in the comment box and please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Bye friends.